guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to upload and edit doc, PPT and XLS files in Canva. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. Here I'm on the Canva homepage. So here we have all the things that we can do to design. In order to upload our PPTs or doc files or the PDF files, all you need to do is very simple. Just go to this designs, open your file over here. So this is my PDF file that is caring for your doc. Just drag and drop it here in the designs. So let us wait for some time so that it gets uploaded. So it would take us couple of seconds to get uploaded. Once it is uploaded, you can see this preview of it. So we can just click on it to check out how it is looking and all. So here we are with our PDF file, or else the document file is also document, and your PPT files or else your XSL files, the spreadsheets. So these files you can just drag and drop it over here in the design section. And if we just come over here, so here this is my PDF. So the good thing about this is you can add all this powerful tools that are present in the Canva to your document files or your PPT files. So here we can see that we have this entire image. You can just change this image, and also here these are classified as an element in this Canva. So we can just delete this, or we can add any other things, and we can even change this text which are here. Use this Canva tools to design our PDF or document file. So we can just go to any of the page in the PDF or document or PPT that you import onto this Canva, that you just drag and drop. And after this we just gonna go to any of the page, and we can delete the text, or we can add the text to this. Like, let me just delete all this text, or let's say that I want to delete this and I have to say that this is an example section. So what is an example section, I can say. So in this way we can change the text, and the other better part is that we can use all the elements of Canva. Like here, if we go to the elements, and I can just use all the shapes onto this like this, and make my PDF look better by using this Canva tools, and something like this or this. So these all things we can add, and we can give some good attractive document for us. And also we have few other features, like we can go to something like text, and we can have different fonts like this. So we can just add such fonts to this PDF or document that we are working on. And there are a lots of fonts that are available for us. So if we just go to the elements and click on see all, so here we even find such shapes from which you can just add some image which should be in round shape. You can even do that. Let me delete this firstly. So yes, so this way you can add anything that you want to add to your document or PDF by using all these Canva features. Similarly, you can do this for your PPT also, for your spreadsheet also. But the thing that needs to be noted down is that for the spreadsheet, you are not able to do aggregations or any other mathematical operations for you, which you usually do on the Canva. After you import them to the Canva, all you can do is you can just make them look better for the presentation. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.